What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, Mac Dr. Belt. Alright, boys, so I want to start by saying that thanks and I appreciate every single one of you for subscribing, liking, commenting, staying tuned in the channel. Alright, boys, so big space to fill. RXX is gone. New owner took it home. Car made it safe and sound. So we no longer have the RXX as the last black, you guys already know. So therefore we got big shoes to fill up on this channel. We got the 8thgen that we picked up not too long ago. I got tons and tons of work on this car to do. At this point I don't know if it was good cap getting it or if it was a mistake, but I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna see how far we could get with this car in the channel. We'll go along more in the future talking about what we're doing, what we have to do, what happened, what didn't happen, what we could do. So far we've done a couple videos on PDR repairs, den repairs and such stuff like that. Today is simple. I'm picking up new wheels for the 8thgen right off the back. Each car that I get in the channel, I like to change the look. Even though I'm getting the wheels today, I won't be able to throw them on. The guy that sold me the car, when he sold me the car, he never gave me the lock, so I have to see what I could do lock-wise to remove the wheels. But this is the OEM wheels. Going for a different look, different style. So we're gonna be taking this ride today, pick up the new wheels, see what they look like. Hopefully I could cap them, come back. We won't be able to install them, but at least I want to put them side by side on the car to see how they're gonna look when we put them. And I look forward in the future to simply throw it on and start picking up on this car and start working on it, which we are. So little by little, boys, one day at a time. Let's get today started. Let's get it.
Exit the traffic circle onto New York 146 East. Continue on New York 146 East for 3 miles.
Alright, boys, got the new wheels ready and locked in. Show you guys how the crib. We just put in some gas and I'll see you guys in a few. So let's get it. Alright, boys, so we finally back. Take out the wheels. I'm gonna show you guys and we'll play some over the car, see what they look like. Alright, boys, so we're back at the crib. Time of truth, do the wheel review on the wheels. I gotta say that I gotta change the tires in the future. These are winter tires. I might leave them for the time being with this winter, but I am getting summer tires for them. I will not be installing them today. I need the lock for the wheels. I got a different one that I couldn't put on and take them out. So once they will remove that in the future, I would like to throw them on. But I'm gonna do a little walk around. The tires, they just put against the car, so it's not like a half camber. It'll be like that, so I'm gonna show you guys the design real quick. So let's get it. You guys looking at the new wheels for the 8thgen 7. They are 18s, 5x114 of our 2014 Honda Accord. The factory wheels, they are 17s. These are 18s. I wanted a bigger look. Definitely that's the wheel look that I'm looking for it. Like one with the tires low and the car low enough. That's gonna look crazy. Been looking for the wheels for a minute. I got them for a steal, boys. Only paid $2.5 for them. Everybody want them for $800-900. They were asking more. The same guy was asking $800. He kept lowering. He had them all the way down to $400. Hit him up yesterday, see if it take $250, and boom. Could give me $500 for them right now. I will not sell them wheels. I would like to keep those because I could put them in a CRB. My girl's Honda Element. Could have put them on the RXS if I needed to. But yeah, these wheels are for the 8thgen. That's the look I'm going for it. They're gonna look dope. Again, I wish I could install them today, but I gotta get the right lug nuts. Remove them wheels from there. Gotta find the lug nut key in order to remove them. And in the future, get summer tires so we got more clearance. But I can't wait. This is gonna look dope. I trying to look for videos of 8thgen with the wheels, same wheels as this, the same color. Couldn't really find it, so I just chill and doing what I gotta do. But not too bad, boys. Shit's gonna look lit. Look a little big because of the tire right now and not being on, but once it's on, you know, it compensates because the car fender wheels, they're big enough compared to other cars that it could rack those wheels. But I can't wait, man. When we put the wheels, some tint, maybe a little lower in the future, get some coils, and it'll be good money. But liking the wheels, boys. What y'all think? Can't wait. Again, I got tons of work coming up on this Civic. I got a lot of stuff. I don't want to spoil it, so we go over as we work on it. But nothing, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just like any other car, they built, not bought. You know, we gotta start from scratch. So this is pretty much what we're doing. So no matter what I gotta do to the car, I'm still gonna prevail and keep it in the channel to show you guys what we do with it. Different platform for you guys to learn along with me and just simply have fun. I can't wait, boys. I wish I could have just snapped my fingers and had them installed, but again, I gotta get the right lug nut wrench that pull them out. Once I do that, no big deal. You know, I could also weigh on getting the proper tires, which I'm gonna try to get low profile for them, low 18s. But the wheels is the look I was going for, boys. Shit's gonna look lit when it's dropped with some tints. It's gonna look fat. But yeah. No apologies. This is a short video. Again, want to waste no time with the Acura being gone. Thank God I made it a video of the Acura, because I would have sold it. And you know, I like to look at the videos now and then to remember what it was, or just to remember them memory wise. So happy they did it. And what do you know, boys? We got the damn lug nuts out. I'm gonna show you the sign. This is a 5-prong, which means the facing. But this one is a 6-prong. But I was able to hammer it in. Once hammer, it locked in, gripped it, took it all off. So I got them all off. I will be able to place the wheels, and we're gonna see what they look like. So with that being said, let's get it. All right, boys, we got the first one so far on. The tire is touching on the coil itself, so I may have to purchase a spacer to bring it out so it don't touch more, so we got clearance, or simply just get lower tires, which I think this is the lowest they get, 235 45s. Not really sure. I have to look into it, see what we could do as far as the coil. Like I said, I think the spacer will be alright. Overall, the wheel fits good. So for right now, we're gonna sand it and put off all of them. That's what we're looking like. Let's get it. So I got one wheel left. I wanted to leave them side by side so you guys see the comparison. One rim next to the other one, it looks humongous. I know, makes it look like a 20, when in reality it's an 18. And the 16 makes it look like a 15. However, that's how it's gonna go. The future, I have to replace tires, put spacers in the front so I could compensate for the coil not to touch. Other than that, the wheel fit, look good on the car. We could take one day at a time. So I'm gonna finalize putting the wheels so we could finalize with today's video and we could see what the car look like. Let's get it. Alright boys, this is what we're looking like. We got all four wheels finally on. I'm stoked. The car's got that different look I was looking for. Definitely, little by little. We could use some tints, maybe some low in the future, and some low profile tires. But overall, I'm digging the way the Accord wheels is looking on the 8thgen. Not bad boys, not bad. Checking all around. Of course, it's got to go down some because, you know, height wise, when you jack it up, the car into it don't adjust and stuff like that. The tires, they could be different in the future. It'll be better, but overall, wheel fuel money. They look good. Little by little, changing the car. Still got some more work to do on it, of course, but one day at a time, boys. One day at a time. Alright boys, we're gonna wrap it up short. This video wasn't long enough. I hope at least motivation wise it helped motivate one of you guys out there to do the same or even better. You know, we'll take one day at a time, changing the look on the 8th gen. Alright boys, so I'm gonna wrap this one short. More thanks, and I appreciate every single one of you for subscribing, liking, commenting, staying tuned in the channel. Till the next time, peace.